How does he do?
Yeah, run that back turbo. Choppers on deck, everything is on demand. You wanna check, first you gotta have a plan.
Okay.
What's up, guys? What are we coming to show them today?
The new Paw Patrol, and he got launchers.
A new Paw Patrol, and he's got launchers. Now, guys,
He's
this
Marshall.
is Zoomer Marshall, the Paw Patrol. It looks like this up close. It is $123 on Amazon, and I don't know how much it is anywhere else. Actually, I know Walmart was sold out online, but this right here definitely retails online for about $130. If you do want it used, you can get it on eBay for about a good 30 bucks. But to get it brand new, that's how much it's going to cost you. So we are going to do a quick unboxing so Katie can show you guys how this little guy works. No one can see you.
Yeah,
we can't see you.
It has
we can't
this.
see what you're doing. It's the rocket launchers. Okay. Let me finish getting him out of the box, please. There you go. There he is, guys. Let's put him down. We got him out. Hold on, honey. Hold on one second. He takes 4 AA batteries. There are the instructions.
Oh, got it.
Got it. So he speaks over 150 phrases and says 150 different sounds.
Cool.
Got it?
Cool.
Yes, so let me get a screwdriver and put batteries in him, and then we will get him all fired up.
Back and forth. Hello, Marshall. Marshall. Come here. Come here, Marshall.
Listen.
Yeah,
Come on, Marshall, come this way.
Marshall, stop doing that.
So we'll show you real quick some of the action modes. The pup mode is just pretty much when he's turned on, and then Brooklyn's going to show you when you put your hand in front of his chest and how he follows you.
Like this.
Keep on.
I just like him sing music.
But you don't necessarily have to do that just to make him follow you. He will follow you.
How?
You just start off by doing that, and then he'll follow you. You gotta walk in front of him. Like, yeah, see your legs. He's gonna follow you if he senses you. That's all it is. So watch. Let him go. Let him go. See? He's following me. He senses me. So he's following me.
Hey, let me. Wait.
He dances. Look.
Daddy. Oh.
See, he'll dance with you. So to get him to dance with you, all you have to do is hold his head down for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Oh, close your pup pack. You got to listen to him. Don't forget to close my pup pack. 1, 2. He's going to dance for you again.
How does he do tricks? He just puts his head? Because it's not doing it when we do it.
No, the tricks is when you press down on his
Mommy, I
head.
was copying him.
Press my badge button to enter mission mode. You want to rescue somebody? Let's rescue. Listen.
Okay,
Put him back in there. Oh, no, let's listen to him.
Come on.
I found some more coal. Open my pump pack to activate my water cannon.
Open. See? Open. Water cannon. Put it in, Brooke.
Looks like the hot coals are out now. Thanks for your help.
You did it. You put the fire out.
Pump pack for the next mission.
Let's leave the water in.
See you next time.
See you next time. So guys, this is really cute toy. It will follow your kids, take you on super missions. Really cool Christmas gifts, or you know, they make Sky like this. I think they have a couple of other characters like this as well.
No, stop.
But definitely check out your local Amazon. Go online and check it out. Or if you're just, you know, kind of like,
my belly.
you know, kind of like everybody else and on a budget, don't feel bad and get the ones that are on eBay, as well as the ones that are refurbished and the ones that are used. But we did get this one from Amazon, and it was $123 plus tax.
Down on my head.
So it's not nice.